Alright, so this is the furnace. It's actually an exhaust and an inlet. So apparently there's a wasp nest up in here. And yeah, it's down over in the corner. And luckily I have these longer needle nose I can reach in there, but I am going to remove this cover. And then I'm going to kill them. I'll also use a number 2 screwdriver. It is sealed on here pretty good. Let's see if I can cut it off. Yeah, it looks like it's actually glued all the way around this thing. So that's going to take a little bit to get off. Alright, now that I finally got all the sealant broken loose, this whole plate will slide out. Here, and you can see all the cement on there. It's crazy. Now, it looks like it's a dead nest. I've already kind of sprayed in here. Didn't get any activity. I do not believe this comes off. It seems like it's on there. Although it should, so try that. And I can see the inlet of the fan now, like the blower part of the fan. Still have a little bit more to go to get that out of there. Alright, so with my needle nose I can only get part of it. I used to have needle nose pliers that had a curved end on them, and I'm going to go pick those up so I can actually reach around and get the rest of that nest out. And I'll have to pick up some putty or cement so I can reseal this. Alright, there it is. It is a dead nest, but best to get it out of there. And these are what I bought from Lowe's Line Tools. They do have some that are actually have a little bit longer a little bit longer tip on them, but these work fine. I was able to get in there and work around that corner. So that's one thing down. Now I just got to clean all this up and then I'll put that cover back on. I have a metal scraper and a plastic one. I would prefer to use the plastic against the fiberglass here, so we'll see how it works out. Super tacky. And I did buy some of this. It's a marine type Loctite silicone. I'm gonna give that a shot. And this is white. Alright, I'm gonna try that. I went around all the edges, screw holes, and again there's so much putty on the backside of the actual exhaust tube that I think will be alright. Alright, I'm going to screw. Alright, I'm going to put the screws back in here. I won't tighten them all down until I get them in there. Now, could I use an electric drill or screwdriver for this? Yes, but I'm not going to do that. There's the only thing in between the outside and inside wall right here is styrofoam. So what I'm going to do is give me some gloves, neoprene gloves, and I'm going to wipe this stuff around, make it smoother. And I can tell I need to add some right here maybe. Definitely have to wipe off the excess. And a lot of it's probably going to have to dry on there so I can actually get it off. That's alright. I'm going to let that sit overnight, and then I'll come back and clean it up.